Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video provides an overview of how guests, vendors, and residents can use the CAPXL touch display. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. We will use the LiftMaster CAPXL to demonstrate how to make a call and how to enter an access point. There are two methods to call a resident: searching by name or entering a directory code. To search for a resident, tap the Touch Here to Begin icon on the screen, then select Find a Name. Scroll through the list of names using the up and down scroll buttons, or use the search feature at the top to enter part of the user's first or last name. A list will appear of all residents with the letters entered. Simply tap on that name to call that resident. If you know the resident's directory code, you may use that as a shortcut to call the resident. Tap Touch Here to Begin, then tap I have a directory code. Enter the directory code, then tap the Call button. There is also a quick call option, which dials a predefined phone number, allowing guests to easily contact the front office, guard station, or another specific number. You can customize the appearance and wording of the quick call button at the bottom of the screen. You may end a call at any time by tapping the End Call button at the bottom of the display. Another option for gaining access is to use an entry code. An entry code is a 4 to 8-digit code a person can use to open the entrance. On the main screen, tap I have an entry code, then enter the code. The door will open. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Learn more about our access control solutions when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com/accesscontrol.